In Christ alone, my hope is found. He is my life, my strength, my song, this cornerstone, the solid ground, firm through the fiercest drought and storm. What height of love, what depth of peace,
No, Jesus.
when fears are stilled and the striving cease, my comforter.
Oh.
It's okay. Pause.
I don't know where to place you. Okay, team.
What's your name again, Chef? If you have
No.
Faith.
What's your name?
Sunmisola.
Sumisola. You didn't ask your name.
From Lagos.
Sunmisola. I think you have a massive potential, but I don't think you are still. It's not coming out freely as it's supposed to. It's not. It's still like you brought something and you did not lubricate it. It didn't. It's not smooth. It's not. It's no girl. They never put oil for the thing. They go smoothly. So that's what's. But the thing is there. The quality is there. But I think you have not been able to work your voice very well to control it and manage it and just enjoy it. I'm struggling to give you the yes. Anyway, I'm struggling. I want to give you yes, but I'm struggling.
Personally, for me, there's so much that you can do. You know, me for the fact that you're 15 years old.
You're 15.
Yeah, for the fact that you're 15 years old, for me, it's a plus that you can sound this way. It means that you have been spending time listening to the right things. No, you're not been spending time listening to oh yeah, take all my money, put them for your head. Yo. It means that you have been listening to the right music, which is a plus. And for me, I give you a yes. I just hope that you can push yourself some more and be a little more confident about what you have.
I would say in a couple of years you'll be ready. You're not ready yet. So it's a no for me.
Are you ready now or you're ready later?
I'm ready now.
Smalley.
I'm not sure you're ready. But I'll give you a yes.
Thank you, sir.